Hello friends, welcome to the channel. This is Amit from QuickBooks Learning for Beginners. Today we will be learning about how we can go and print the check right now, and the way we have been doing here is with QuickBooks Desktop, and that's a sample file which has been opened right now. And just to inform you that there's a latest release. It's been showing up here on the home page. That's the home page of the QuickBooks file. This is the latest release. If I click on that, it will start updating the QuickBooks. So we are not doing it now here, but as of now, we are creating a check here. We are writing a check here so that we can go and print, and we can see how we can go and print it, right? So let's go and start. So we can go to the banking option and click on write checks option. uh, let's click on write check. So here we are writing a sample check. We are selecting the bank account from this. That would be any account. It would be a petty cash, savings, or checking account. So we are selecting a checking account here. Pay to the order of, that would be the check you're writing, the name of the vendor. Let's say Bayshore Water. There's an open purchase order. No, we are saying no to that. Write a check. So the amount, it's let's say $500. That's it, has written in words, and then the address is there for the vendor. uh, so would be a bill for November month. The expense account would be the any expense which uh, is there. Maybe you can say hostel, professional fee, or office supplies, right? So this is a check which we have created now with today's date. Let me just go and change the date here real quick. 27th is the date we are mentioning. So the check number is something which you can change it as well, and that would come up on the pre-printed checks. So here let's say we have 400. We want to give a check number to that, and then we want to print the check. So there's a tab option at there at the very top. You can see print. Here we can go and click on check. It's asking us to send us the pre-printed check number, so we can change here as in 400. Either we can go and print the check right now. If we want to do that, we can click on OK to that. There's another option come up has, where we can go and select the type of check style we have it. One is the voucher, standard, and wallet. So one is voucher is something which where you have the receipts at the bottom, and standard is something there are three checks in one page you can print. Along with that, you can customize it accordingly with your logos, company logos, and company name and address you can enter on the pre-printed checks. And the wallet is something which we have it with the, it's a small checks where you know, on the left hand side you have pay stubs. So you can click on OK. We are not doing it now. Here we are not printing it now, as we have already selected our printer name here in this tab. It says print name, print type is there. So we are not doing it now. Here just we are just clicking on cancel here. If let's say if we want to print it later, uh, on the top right hand side you can see that you have an option here which says print later. You just check it, check mark that, and click on save and close. So this check of $500 for Bayshore will come up. It says you have changed the trans, do you want to record? We'll say yes to that. So check has been created, but we haven't printed the check. what we gonna do here is we go to file option at the very top, and then we go to print forms, and there's an option which says checks. So we can click on checks here. So you can see that the Voucher voucher of today's date, it's already there. So we can check or uncheck the print, or we can print these two checks in one page as well. So we can go and check it both, and the first check number would be, let's say, 400. So if we have put in the 400, so the second check would come up as 401, right? And there's an option for order checks as well. We already created a video for ordering pre-printed checks from the Intuit's website, from the QuickBooks website, right? So these are the two checks to print. You can see that it says 610. We are clicking on OK, and these two checks will be printed now. Let's say the printer name, you can select here, the printer type, single sheet, right? Again, the same check styles are there, which is voucher, standard, and wallet. So voucher is something, the check will come on the top, where you will find the name of your company, the logo, and at the bottom you will be seeing the receipts, the bill receipts. You have it, you can attach those bill receipts or pay stubs, right? The second option is the standard. So there would be 3 checks in one page. You can see number of checks on first page is 3. So here we are doing it 2, so we are leaving it as standard there. Wallet is, let me just go and don't display that. Again, the same thing. On the steps are smaller steps, but they are on the left hand side. So the receipts are on the left hand side, which you can enclose, you can attach it with those checks, pre-printed checks. These are the checks which you can order from the QuickBooks checks and supplies option, and there are pricing as well, where you can order them and you can get them delivered to your address. So voucher is there. So here we are selecting in a voucher, one page in one copy, and once you have a print option clicked on, you will see the print coming up. So here it is just printing those two checks. You can see if your checks printed correctly, click on OK. Here we select that and click on OK. It would be confirmed that we have printed the checks. So there are two options. Either you can there and then you can write the check and you can print the check from the top option. You have check. Batch is something which is a group of checks which you are printing later on, right? You check mark 3, 4, 5, 6 checks at one time, and you can make a batch on it, and you can go to the file. You can print it there and then, or you can go to the file option, print forms, and click on check. The same goes with the other transactions you have it. So you can see that there's no check which has been remaining right now, because we have already created a check. So if we don't print the checks, it will show up on this list here, and the check number would be the last. You can see 402. That's it. So that's how we go and print the check here in QuickBooks. Apart from that, there's an important update going on again. There's a week going on for QuickBooks. That's a Black Friday sale going on. So if someone go and purchase QuickBooks online, he will be getting the 70% discount plus 1 month extra from the link. I'm putting that in the description. You can just click on that link and you can buy the subscription from there. So person will get he or she will get the discount for online QuickBooks subscriptions, monthly or yearly. That too with 3 months 70% discount plus 1 month extra. That's all we have for today's video, and apart from that, we will be continuing posting more videos related to QuickBooks and QuickBooks Online. Please like, subscribe, and tune in. Thank you very much for that, and have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.